The Field Research Programme is a new initiative for the Society and we're all very excited about it. It's international in focus and it links true field research with a major geographical issue. It stood out for a variety of reasons. First of all, the quality of the team that lies behind it, not just in terms of the academics from the UK, but the partners as well. It stood out because it really is a mix of physical and human geography and deals therefore with the interplay of the two, which I think appeals very much to the Society. And it goes beyond geography as well. It goes into other disciplines. There are anthropologists on the team, for example, and it touches on areas that have a great policy relevance as well.
This is a 3-year research project focusing on 6 cities in Africa and Asia: Colombo, Dhaka, Yangon, Maputo, Hargeisa and Harare. And we're interested in what happens when people move into those cities from areas affected by environmental change or political violence of one sort or another near those cities into very vulnerable areas of the cities themselves, what we've called marginal urban areas of informal housing, high unemployment, very significant lack of resources.
The patterns of migration to these cities are little studied, yet they're growing and they are extremely important. The impact of these sorts of migrations are likely to increase as more people move over time and as the impact of climate change takes hold.
We found that people move into these marginal spaces and they then become trapped because they lack the resources to be able to return to rural livelihoods, and they don't have the sort of economic wealth to be able to move into more sustainable urban spaces either. So they're really, in some cases living in what look like refugee camps almost within a city for 10, 20 years.
So we have 3 areas of focus: the migrants themselves, the people living in the very fragile areas that we've identified within those cities, and the governance structures of those cities.
And hopefully we come out of that with a better idea of what kinds of steps might be taken to actually help improve the lot of these new urban residents, many of whom are really among the poorest of the poor.
One of the ways we're hoping to do that is to identify them as experts in the issues that we're dealing with.
This isn't just a project about migration now, it's a project about migration in the future. It's not just about how migrants and cities are coping, it's about how migrants and cities might adjust to future challenges.
And one of the really exciting things about the project is the possibility to engage with other audiences. It's not just an academic research project, and that's one of the things that makes it particularly exciting, I think.
The Society brings its own interest in important questions that have to do with human settlement and movement and engagement with the world. It also provides opportunities for more and more people to learn about the kinds of themes that we are engaging with the project.
Now that Migrants on the Margins has been chosen, the partnership between the Society and the academics involved with the project really begins. The Society is committed, along with its partners involved in the project, to raising between £500,000 and £1 million to make this field research project work. We hope very much that the fellows of the Society and its members will help us raise that money by contributing to us achieving this target.